Hello and welcome back to the SuperTables Getting Started course series. In this session number 8, we will learn how to embed images into our SuperTables. Most of the time, when we use SuperTables, we want to show numbers and text. But sometimes it may be beneficial to also show images to increase understanding. SuperTables, as we can see, allows to do this easily. In this example dashboard, we have a sales overview with a sample bar chart, a map, and a super table giving us an overview of our sales on product level. To get a better idea of what each product is, we embedded product images, making it way easier to connect our sales data to our products. Let's quickly rebuild this table together to see how it works. For this, we quickly create a new worksheet and get started. Let's select the images data source first. And as always, we first have to select our SuperTables extension in the marks card. Next, we pull in all the dimensions and measures we need for our table view. From the dimensions, we need city, image, order date, order number, product name, SKU, and zip code. So we pull this on dimensions. And then from the measures, we will need quantity and sales. For the order date, as always, we will set it to exact date. And this is all we need in terms of data. Now, to build the same layout as in the example dashboard, we will first create the expandable column groups like we see right here. To do this, we open the Format extension menu and move to the data section. Down here, we open the column groups option and add our first column group. The first column group is our product group. And in this group, there are product name, the product image, and the SKU. And the product name should only be visible upon expansion of the group. The next column group will be our order group, which includes the order number and the order date, with the order date only visible upon expansion. And then the last group is the location group, which includes the zip code and the city. Let's rearrange our different groups. Product in the beginning, then order, and then location, like we have it here. As we can see, our image column, which is supposed to have our product images, currently only shows URLs. To change this, we have to go back into the configuration menu and make some changes to how these URLs are treated by the extension. To do so, we navigate to the data section in our formatting menu again. In the dimensions dropdown, we open our image dimension. In here, we can change the dimension style from text to image. In that way, the SuperTables extension knows that it is supposed to show the images each URL is pointing to instead of the URLs themselves. To make the images accessible for the extension, the images should ideally be stored in a cloud storage. Using maximum image width and maximum image height, we can further define the size of the images. This typically involves a bit of trial and error. For this example, a maximum width of 100 pixels does the trick. Click Apply and Close to see the changes. As we can see, the SuperTable now shows the product images instead of the URLs. The last thing we need to do now is to make some final configurations to the appearance of the table, since at the moment all the images are cut short at the top and at the bottom due to the row height. To adjust the row height, we reopen the Format extension menu and navigate to the Appearance section. In here, we can simply enable auto row height or choose a row height individually. In our case, we will just go with the automatic option. Click Apply and Close to see the changes. Now all the product images perfectly fit each row. To get rid of the distracting tooltip, we can also quickly deactivate it here. If we now reduce the column size of our images, we can make everything look a bit nicer. And this is already it. We successfully included images into our SuperTables view. We could also use if conditions to show certain images or implement other logics. In the original example, we also had conditional color formatting for our measures, sales and quantity. If you want to see how that works, watch video number 2 of this series. In the next video, we will learn how to apply URLs for URL actions instead of showing images. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment and consider subscribing to our channel.